Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In our fast-paced world, it's pretty common to feel a bit overwhelmed or stressed from time to time. Sometimes that stress can even tip over into feeling really anxious, making it hard to relax or even just focus. While herbal teas aren't a substitute for professional help if you're dealing with severe anxiety, they can be a wonderful, natural tool to help you unwind, soothe your nerves, and find a little more calm in your day. Think of them as a warm, comforting hug in a mug. First up on our list is chamomile tea. This is probably the most famous anxiety-calming tea. And for good reason. Chamomile flowers contain compounds that have a mild sedative effect, meaning they can help gently relax your muscles and quiet your mind. Many people find a cup of chamomile before bed helps them drift off to sleep more easily, but it's just as effective during the day when you're feeling a bit frazzled. It has a light, floral taste that's really pleasant and comforting. Next, let's talk about lemon balm tea. This herb is part of the mint family, and it has a lovely, fresh, citrusy scent and flavor. Lemon balm has been used for centuries to reduce stress and improve sleep. It's thought to work by boosting a calming neurotransmitter in your brain called GABA, which helps slow down nerve activity. So, if your thoughts are racing a bit, a cup of lemon balm tea can help bring a sense of peace and clarity. It's really refreshing, especially if you add a slice of fresh lemon. Another fantastic option is passionflower tea. This beautiful flower produces a tea that's known for its ability to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation without making you feel overly drowsy. It's often recommended for generalized anxiety and restlessness. Passion flower also appears to increase GABA levels in the brain, similar to lemon balm, helping to quiet an overactive nervous system. If you're feeling a bit on edge, this tea can help take the intensity down a notch. And finally, we have valerian root tea. Now, valerian root has a very earthy, distinct smell and taste that not everyone loves, but its calming effects are undeniable. It's quite potent and is often used for insomnia and more significant anxiety because it helps promote deep relaxation. Because of its strength, it's usually best enjoyed in the evening. If you're struggling to really switch off, valerian root could be a great natural aid. When preparing these teas, always remember to cover your cup while steeping to keep all those beneficial compounds from escaping with the steam. So, the next time you're feeling a bit anxious or just need a moment of calm, consider brewing one of these wonderful herbal teas. It's a simple, soothing ritual that can make a real difference in how you feel. What's your go-to tea for relaxation? Let me know in the comments below.